What's going on, Mother Truckers? So a lot of subscribers asked, how long have Jen and I been together? We've been together for about 11, going on almost 12 years. And people ask how we met. We actually met in Sacramento at a nightclub. And I was there kind of by myself. And
what are you doing?
Nah, I'm just saying how we met.
To be doing laundry.
I'm just saying how we met.
See that pile right behind you?
I'm just saying how we met back then. People were asking. So we were at the nightclub. I don't know if you remember this, but we were at the nightclub.
Yep.
And I was kind of by myself, just people watching, and you pretty much walked up to me, and you kind of started taking advantage of me and dancing with me. And so
yeah, I did that.
And so
I did that.
That's kind of what it started with.
I grabbed you.
No, watch. I'm gonna show them. Reenactment. This is how we met. Watch. I'm gonna put this here. Okay.
So I turn this light on.
We'll pretend like this is a drink right here, right? So, no, you gotta go away, far away first.
Why would I have to go far away?
And then I was like, just, you know.
You're drinking a water bottle?
I was just kind of hanging out.
I don't think this was a song that.
Yeah, I know, but this is the non-copyright strike song. And then I was just kind of hanging out. And then out of nowhere, you kind of pretty much just walked up to me. And just. And then you pulled off my shirt. Something like that, didn't you? I forgot.
No, the story is like very, very stupid.
No. And then she just started dancing with me and just kind of like, so I saw her. And then she saw me, and then we were kind of. No. This was like 11 years ago.
No.
Show me the moves that you were doing.
That was not how it happened.
So how were we dancing?
No, I was like trying to run away from you.
No, it wasn't.
I was trying to run away from you.
No, she went up to me, and then I was just like, dang, this girl's kind of interested in me, you know? And then you looked me up and down.
No.
And then you just did like some kind of like.
I didn't do anything like, oh my god,
so
no, I did not do
I'm a little fatter now, but back then I was really fit. So.
Like, dude, your belly's touching me.
No. And then,
no,
you know, and then she pretty much just started dancing up on me.
No.
Reenact it, just like in my mind.
No, okay, so all the dancing that we've done was like when we went out to the clubs after. Okay?
And how were we dancing with back then? No, but our first day we met, you pretty much like
I mean, that's like not
grabbed up to me and you were just like, hey. And then you took me to the dance floor. No. And then she just kind of started like, and I was like, ooh, I like this girl.
I didn't do that.
You know, I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna get some.
You're such a liar.
And then pretty much, Mother Truckers, 11 years later and trucking later.
That was not how it happened.
It's pretty much how it went down.
That's not how it happened.
If you guys have any other questions of how we met or any other questions, comment down below.
No, that was not how